front of me. I'd lovely if that happened on a regular basis, but unfortunately it doesn't. Oh look! There's a barn owl! Oh my goodness me, do you see it?
No.
Right, we're going to go back, Don.
Alright.
Oh my god, Don, would you bloody know it? That is omen, that is. That isn't that weird. Right, we're on the right hand side, right? Right, here on the right hand side. See, just here, on the right. See it? Oh, would you know it, eh? There we go. Ready? Flew off, but they often land again because they're hungry, so he only would have flown a bit. Look, there he is, see him? Flying in front of us? Oh wow, there he is. There he is. Look! Wow! Look at that, Dom! Oh, there we are. Look at this. This is in Chipping Sodbury, and we just
hovering.
This is a barn owl hunting at the side of the main road. Look at that. Ah, and I just said to Dominic on the way home here, I haven't seen a barn owl on this road for years, haven't I, Dom?
Right.
Look at that, how wonderful. Thanks for watching Wild Owl with Ian McGuire in Chipping Sodbury.